How to log into Quilter account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Quilter login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, quilter.com. With that, you'll get this kind of pop-up. My reason is click on this drop-down and select your reason. Then click on this drop-down of IMA. Then you can select advisor or customer. Then scroll down and click on accept all the cookies. Now click on this option of choose your login. Now here you're going to find different sections. Head over to the section that you want to log in for. Go ahead and click on the option of login. Once you're at the login page, go ahead and provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username. In the case you have forgotten it, click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on next. And in the next page, you will need to type in your password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register and go through it. Well, this way you can easily log into Quilter account online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.